Hello everyone, today I will show you how to flatten layers in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your layer PDF file, select file option and select here open, and you can open your layer PDF. I have already opened this PDF file and this layer. Now click on this left sidebar arrow and this layer option. There are two layers, this first one and this second one, and put your mouse cursor and select layer. Now click on this option and here you will find this flatten layer option. Simply select flatten layers. This operation cannot be done, and would you like to proceed? Select yes and see this. There's two of this layer now flattened. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.